Hi, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to install, set up and use the Saguinus bicolor detector package in Python. Saguinus is known by its common English name, tamarin. This Python package allows us to load an audio file in web format, record in the view, scan this audio file in search of tamarin. At the end, it returns two files, a text file with timestamp of the detections, start time and end time, and an optional filtered audio file in web format. So we will open a window terminal here. In the same folder, I have the records. And first, I recommend you to create a new fresh virtual environment to not mess up with the Python package of your basic system. So I will create an environment here with conda. Let me increase here. This is the command to create a new environment, virtual environment, call it Sauim. Yes, we accept. Yes. And after that, we have the virtual environment to install the package and set up and configure everything. Now we have to activate the virtual environment before to install any package. Next, we are going to install a pip, a Python manager. While it is installed, we can go to the website, copy this command here to install our detector. Okay, one is done. We can install the sauim-detector. If everything goes well, this message successfully will be printed. Once the installation is complete, we are ready to execute our detector. And for convenience, it is better to be located in the same folder as you record. In this case, this is the path of my records folder, which is this one. Now we will execute the command to execute the Saguin. The command is Saguin. So I will process this record file. This file was recorded in the Mindu Park of Manaus City in the Amazon. So if everything goes well, you will see some information here. If to execute this command, it will take longer depending on two factors. If you have a GPU installed and configured with CUDA and TensorFlow or not, and how long is your record, right? If you don't have a GPU, I don't have a GPU in this computer, don't worry. These messages are just warnings. We can safely ignore them. Now we are going to wait until this process finish. So the audio file I just processed is almost 10 minutes long, and it took around 5 minutes to complete the scanning. When finished, the number of the detection is shown here, and a new text file was created into the base folder of the record. If you want to generate a filtered version of this original record, we have to add the S flag into the command and execute. Okay, I recommend to use Audacity software, a free and multi-platform. So we can open our audio file with the Audacity software. We can, for instance, keep one track, one channel, and also we can see the spectrogram here. This is the spectrogram of our record. And finally, we can import our text file, generated text file, to see the timestamp of each detection. Now you can see here the places where our detector identified the Sauim call. You can select the segment and play, okay, to verify. For convenience, you can also change the scale of the spectrogram to linear and play around with the zoom to see another regions of detections. Okay, for instance, here or here. All right, so we can select any region or segment and play here and confirm if these detections are correct, and this can facilitate the human scanning of long files. Thanks.